How to make almond oil for hair regrowth and to stop hair fall permanently. Sweetish almond oil, badam oil, is best for hair growth and damaged hairs. Almond oil is one of the best oil which nourish your hair and promotes hair growth. If you are suffering from hair loss, I would recommend almond oil for hair regrowth. Use it regularly for hair growth and treatment. With regular use of almond oil, you will be really surprised to see changes in your hairs and you will notice how fast the hair grows. Let's start with a remedy for hair fall. Ingredients: 1 egg, coconut milk, almond oil, 1 tablespoon. Method: 1. Take 1 egg and pour it into a bowl. 2. Then add 1 tablespoon almond oil. 3. Mix it well and apply it to your hairs and scalp properly. 4. Leave it for 15 minutes and then wash it off. 5. If you won't use eggs, then you can also use coconut milk in it. 6. This pack helps to get rid of split ends and dull hairs. For dry and damaged hairs. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon almond oil, 1/4 of a tablespoon castor oil, 1 vitamin E capsule. Method: 1. Take 1 tablespoon almond oil, 1/4 of a tablespoon castor oil, and 1 vitamin E capsule. 2. Mix both ingredients well and apply this oil to your hairs regularly. 3. It will greatly help to recover dry and damaged hairs. For fast hair growth. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon hibiscus powder, 1/4 of a tablespoon almond oil, yogurt. Method: 1. Take a bowl and add all ingredients to it and mix it well. 2. Apply this mass to your hairs and scalp. 3. Leave it for about 15 minutes and then wash it off. 4. This hair pack increases your hair grows very fast. Benefits of almond oil: high in vitamin E, that prevents your hairs from free radicals that damage your hairs. Almond oil contains fatty acids, which nourishes your hairs and improves dry and damaged hairs. Almond oil has anti-inflammatory properties. If you are suffering from scalp inflammation, regularly massage your scalp with almond oil. It gives shine to hair and prevents split ends. Regularly massage your scalp with almond oil, will improve circulation in the scalp and strengthen the hair roots and improves hair growth. I hope you will find these remedies really useful. Must try almond oil for hair growth and also share it with family and friends. Stay in touch with us for more natural remedies.